Okay, here's the quartz crystal surprise package. Let's see if I can get them all on screen there a little bit. I had one where I poured the contents out of the box and just put them on the table, but the video went long searching for the pieces. So right down in here I fished some out that had unique numbers on them, and let me go through that right now. This one, R147BTB31. This one, R080BTB31. R160ZYB3K. R200BTB31. Got this little guy in here. This one, 24.000. Oh, and some sort of squiggly line. Let's show. Come on, folks. That'd be fun if it did. Okay. Here's another little shape. This one, 16000, and that kind of symbol, a symbol for some sort of company symbol. It's a square with like a Z in it. But there's what I was able to kind of fish out of this pack, so there they are. These were kind of, they're all the same shape. That's why I'm like, oh, they're the same, but they have different numbers on them. So, well, there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video.